Assalamualaikum and hi. My name is Mansyafina binti Tajur Rahim. ID number 2018248412 and I'm from final year student Bachelor of Fine Arts in majoring ceramic. Okay, today I will be present about the final year presentation FAT 680 ceramic individual practice. Okay, so my title is to create my memory childhood interacting with toys and traditional games into ceramic form. Okay, so my objective is to investigate what types of toy and tradition games I played during my childhood at my village. Number two, to produce our based on the form toys and traditional games by using the method. If in understanding the subject matter, I play it into ceramic form. And the last one, to appreciate the moments with interactive toys and traditional games in ceramic form on pedestal. So what your idea? Okay, my idea is use the element of memory in the production of ours. I adapt the experience through clay and the idea of my taken by the surrounding in my village. Okay, my main theme is childhood memory. The artwork produced by the streams of my life as a village child, which is limited by modernity, especially modern games. Okay, so I regard clay as a form of vehicle for communication channel to describe my memories and the subject matter in my artwork. Okay, so the lack of economy is a main factor for me to look the local cultural and the environment initiative making toys and games. So I produce the artwork based on the nature and culture games, Malay games like the anak patung kain, galah panjang, batu seremban, tujuh ting and the lompat getah. How did I investigate my idea? Okay, so for the research, I have split it into three simple steps to help me plan out the progress. The first step is making observations of the type of toys and traditional games I was playing in childhood and get the data collection. From there, by using the data collected from the observations and the experiment, research is needed to have much deeper understanding of the issue. So I also use the secondary data like journal, books, article, and online platform study because these are pandemic situations, COVID-19. And lastly, both of data I researched, I was able to sketch and start making visualizing my idea for the artwork making. What is the social, cultural, or historical content for my artwork? Okay, so my issue revolves around cultural and historical contents. I wanted to shape or re-evaluate the toys and game tradition among children. This artwork also based on my experience during my childhood, and I want to appreciate the beauty of memory in my childhood by processing with memory with the formation into ceramic form. Which artists have influenced my artwork is Umi Bazura. The title artwork on the way in year 2009, which is Umi Bazura artwork, appears to be a painting to remind us of concern around identifications in the community, using of the element identity, human and environment. Okay, the second hour is from Khairi Baharum. The title hour retros fictions and prodigy series. Khairi Baharum also used the inspirations memory childhood. Okay, so he used the notions of play as expressed in self-made toys. Okay, his hour also based on the process service from personnel. Okay, the next artist, who's of mine, title Pesta Toke in year 2018, which is this artist based on the observation reality life, compare the childhood base and the adult. Okay, so the next one is in Iwamura. Okay, I inspirations with his style, which is in the installations, the hour. Okay, he likes to make the philosophy and make the storytelling of each the hour. So that's the artist and the hour I express and influence on my hour. Okay, so the first hour I produced is titled Kawan, which is 6 inch multiple 16 medium clay and fabric. I display the hour as an patung with making by clay, and using the kai batik as display to reinforcing material to show the main material used in making of games and traditional games. The context for this hour about the friendship past in my childhood. Okay, so I want to appreciate the moment with my childhood friend, because every time I play with my friend, we brought the this anak patung kain, and I play with my friends. So that's why I want to recall back my memory into the ceramic form. Second title hour is Liku-Liku Perjalanan Hidup. This hour in 12 inches material clay, presenting games traditional galah panjang and study of form from this game, such as bamboo, as symbolic the traditional games galah panjang. Okay, the context of the hour about the hardship experience of my childhood until adult. So the twist of artwork means the difficult in my life, but it can survive. If you can see the curve at our manager problems and the form after that seem that like the success experienced by me to adapt to my real life. Then our title Bukusan. Okay, so for this hour, the context about life privacy, which is we as a human beings, there must be things or the disgrace that always being the secret of us, every human beings. Okay, so I interact with the toys and traditional games like Batu Seremban as symbolic of the disgrace, which is the container close of Batu Seremban as the traditional games, as symbol to keep the things private from everyone to see the things. The next artwork is Bersatu Teguh Bercerai Roboh. Okay, based on the artwork, game traditional to shooting. Okay, so for this content, if you can see have a different on the artwork, which is one game is not perfect stylus. So that's meaning in the artwork Bersatu Teguh Bercerai Roboh as representation of me while playing the games of the duty. It's all about the human has a variation and not same in one group, but how the different variations of human can be harmonious in one group. The last final hour is tali getah. Material used in the hour are clay and rubber band. Okay, using the rubber band as subject material in the hour. The context of hour is the representations of connection of human in real life. Okay, so as my experience, memory of childhood, I was not able to connections with the other human or new friends because of the progressive factor. And I want to presenting the relationship like a rubber band, which is have a connection but not have a bonding. Okay, so the next you can see the my hour progress and my final hour for this semester.